Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you know that Samsung has massively started rolling out One UI 8.5 stable updates to many Samsung models and in many countries. So in this video, I will give you full list of devices which has got the One UI 8.5 official update. There are A series, S series, etc. And also I will tell you that which country has got the update. I'm making this video because many people think that Samsung has already rolled out updates to their models, but they are the only one who is not getting the update. They go to settings and check for the updates, and if they not see updates, then in comments they are saying like, bro, I did not get the update, fake videos, fake news, etc. So at least you guys should know that did Samsung even roll out updates to your device? Without wasting any time, let me give you full list of devices which has already received One UI 8.5 official update. And guys, I will mention countries also. Okay, starting from Galaxy S26 series. Obviously, Galaxy S26 series came up with the One UI 8.5 out of the box. So obviously, then S25 series has also received One UI 8.5 official update globally, including S25 FE. When I say globally, it means like each and every country in the world. Okay, all the countries has already received One UI 8.5 official update in Galaxy S25 series. Also in Fold 7 and Flip 7. Fold 7 and Flip 7 has also received One UI 8.5 official update globally. Also, all the Galaxy S24 series has received One UI 8.5 official update globally yesterday, including Galaxy S24 FE. Some S24 FE did not got the update yesterday, but today they got the update. So if you have Galaxy S24 series, just go to phone settings and check for the updates. There is a One UI 8.5 official update waiting for you guys. Also, Fold 5 and Flip 5 has also received One UI 8.5 official update globally. And also guys, yesterday Samsung completely surprised us and Samsung rolled out One UI 8.5 official update to all the Galaxy S23 series, including Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra and S23 FE. But please note, once again I'm saying, please note the update for S23 series is only roll out in Korea. Okay, it's not for the global users. For global users, I think the update will roll out starting from next Monday, the upcoming Monday, which is 25. Other than S23 series, Fold 5 and Flip 5 and A36 and A56 also received One UI 8.5 official update in Korea. Currently only in Korea, guys. But there is one surprise. And the surprise is just 2 or 3 hours ago, Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 official update to Galaxy A56 users in European countries. So guys, if you are in European countries and if you have Galaxy A56, just go to settings and check for the updates. There is a new official update waiting for you guys. So guys, these are the only devices which has got One UI 8.5 official update till now. If Samsung will start rolling out updates to more devices, obviously I will make a video and inform you guys. So guys, I have shown you like which device has received updates globally and which device has received updates in Korea only, and also which device has received in Korea and European countries, which is A56. And obviously, if Samsung will start rolling out updates to other devices also, I will obviously make a video and inform you guys. So subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.